Hey guys, um, it is a football Sunday, and guess what? I am um, I am doing the Scarborough Championship. Um, uh, uh, Only for this weekend. Um, uh, due to the FA Cup. Um, and for this weekend only, I am doing that. So I am doing the Scarborough Championship. Uh, from today, but I'm just gonna put this on. Wait, fix me this stop. Oh, I'm on this shirt. so, 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 due to the FA Cup football this weekend, I am doing Scarborough Championship from tonight. So here I go on the Scarborough uh, on the Scarborough Championship results now, and our feeling more details for the other ones. so here we go. Barnsley 0, Hull City 2, Blackburn 3, Sheffield United 1, Bournemouth 4, Swansea 0, Cardiff 2, Huddersfield 1, Coventry 3, Bristol City 2. Newton 0, Stoke 1, Millwall and Derby they scored and drew 1-1. Nottingham Forest 3, Preston 0, Peterborough 0, Fulham 1, West Brom and Middlesbrough they scored and drew 1-1. Birmingham 1, Reading 2, Blackpool and finally Queen's Park Rangers, aka QPR, they scored and drew 1-1. So back to what I was saying about the football. it's only for this weekend. I am doing Scalper Championship. It's because it is the FA Cup weekend of after football, and my boyfriend James kindly let me do the Sky Player Championship for tonight. So please click down below on your James' channel, and he'll be doing the Premier League and the FA Cup first round. It is the first round of the FA Cup, so don't forget to click down below. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and to James's channel. It's because I am dying of needing some more subscribers. So thank you for listening, and James, I wanted to know if you can subscribe to him, and he'll get more supportive and things. So please subscribe to both of our channels. So thank you so much for listening and for tuning in, and we'll see ya next Saturday and Sunday for more football videos. I will see you then.